In today's session, I want to cover insert all. So we discuss about insert all. Pay attention, listen carefully. See, topic name is insert all. In previous session, very clearly we discussed about how to copy the table, how to copy the records, how to copy the table structure, and how to copy the records, copying records. That's it. Okay, these things very clearly we discussed. This insert all purpose is copying records. That is why I explained these points, and to crack interview questions also, I covered these three parts. Now, we are discussing about insert all. Pay attention, listen carefully. If you don't listen, you cannot understand this word. Understand this. For example, this is original table EMP. It has 8 columns and 14 rows. This is original table EMP. It has 8 columns, 14 rows. And there are 3 more existing tables are there. Those are EMP10. It has 4 columns. Those 4 columns are employee number, e-name, job, salary. And it has no rows now. It has no rows. Next, this is another table, EMP11. It has also 4 columns, no rows. This is another table, EMP12. It has also 4 columns, no rows. Understand this? Listen carefully. This EMP is original table. It has 8 columns, 14 rows. EMP10 has 4 columns, no rows are there. EMP11 has 4 columns, no rows. EMP12 has same 4 columns, no rows. Now my requirement is, I want to copy this EMP table 14 rows. I want to copy to EMP10, EMP11 and EMP12. This is my requirement, sir. Copy EMP table all rows to EMP10, EMP11, EMP12. This is our requirement. EMP table all rows copy to EMP10, EMP11, EMP12. So one table data we want to copy to multiple tables. How to copy the records you already know. In the previous session you learned it. To copy the rows. In the previous session we learned this one. To copy the rows. Which command we are using, sir? Insert into EMP10. Insert into EMP10. Select employee number, e-name, job, salary from EMP. That's it. What happens now? EMP table, 4 columns, all rows, data will be inserted into EMP10. So in the EMP10, we get 14 rows with this query. In the same way, in the EMP11 also, I want to copy. Same query we write, just a table name is different. Same query we are writing. Insert into EMP11, select employee number, e-name, job, salary from EMP. 14 rows will be copied to EMP11. To copy to EMP12, again same, insert into EMP12. Insert into EMP12, select employee number, e-name, job, salary from EMP. So to copy one table data to 3 tables, how many insert commands we are writing, sir? How many insert commands we are writing here? 3. So number of insert commands will be increased here. Suppose if we want to copy data to 5 tables, we have to write 5 insert comments. Number of insert comments will be improved here. So instead of writing these many insert commands, just simply use insert all. With one insert all command, we can copy one table data to multiple tables. Once again, I'm telling, listen. My requirement is copying EMP table 14 rows to EMP 10, EMP 11, EMP 12. Means one table data I want to copy to 3 tables. This is my requirement. According to yesterday's discussion, this query copies into EMP 10. This query copies into EMP 11. This query copies into EMP 12. If I follow this way, I'm writing 3 insert commands. Instead of writing these many insert commands, instead of writing 3 insert commands, we can write one insert all. Using one insert all command, one table data we can copy to multiple tables. So to copy one table data to multiple tables, instead of writing many insert commands, write one insert all command. So insert all purpose is copying records to multiple tables. One table records, if you want to copy to multiple tables, then we can use insert all. Insert all purpose is copying records. Insert all specially designed for copying records. One table records we can copy to multiple tables. In this example, EMP table all 14 rows we are copying to EMP 10, EMP 11, EMP 12. So to copy one table data to the multiple tables, use insert all. Don't write many insert commands. Just write insert all. Are you understanding, sir? Okay. So this insert all command introduced in this insert all command introduced in Oracle 9a version. The Oracle 9a version, they introduced it. So what is the advantage we are getting? Okay, it is purpose. Let me write purpose. It is used to copy one table records to multiple tables. So insert all purpose is copying records. If you want to copy one table records to multiple tables, to copy one table records to multiple tables, we are using insert all. This is the purpose. Okay. What is the advantage we are getting? It avoids of writing. It avoids of writing multiple insert commands. So this insert all introduced in Oracle 9a version. Before Oracle 9a, to copy one table data to the multiple tables, okay, to copy one table data to the 3 tables, we were writing 3 insert commands. We were writing like this: insert into EMP 10, select employee number, e-name, job, salary from EMP, like this. Like this we write. So this query copies into EMP 10. In the EMP 10, we get 14 rows. In the EMP 11 also, I want to get same command we write. Just table name is different. EMP 11. Another insert command we are writing. 14 rows we are getting. To copy into EMP 12, write one more insert command. Just table name is different. So before Oracle 9a, we were writing multiple insert commands to copy one table data to the multiple tables. But from Oracle 9a version onwards, no need to write these many insert commands. Just write one insert all. Using one insert all, we can copy one table data to the multiple tables. So insert all purpose is copying records. To copy one table records to multiple tables, we are using it with this. The advantage is no need to write multiple insert commands. Just to write one insert all command, it improves the performance. If you write multiple insert commands, performance will be degraded because you are writing many commands. If you write one insert all, performance will be improved. It reduces complexity, improves performance. How to use it? Pay attention, listen carefully. Purpose we know, sir. How to use it, I'm explaining now. Understand? This insert all can be used in two ways. What are those two ways? First one is unconditional insert all. Second one is conditional insert all. Insert all command we can use in two ways, sir. One is unconditional insert all. Second one is conditional insert all. First, see about unconditional insert all. The name is giving the meaning here. Observe. Insert all. Please confirm, sir. What is the purpose of insert all command? To copy one table records to multiple tables. So to copy one table records to multiple tables, this one table records, I want to copy to multiple tables. This one table records, I want to copy to this table, this table, this table. To copy one table records to multiple tables, we are using insert all. So insert all purpose is copying records. Insert all purpose is copying records. One table records, we are copying to multiple tables. Unconditional insert all. Insert all means copying records. Unconditional means without using condition. So without using condition, if you want to copy the records, without using condition, unconditional means no condition, without condition. Without using condition, if you want to copy the records, then go for unconditional insert all. The name is giving the meaning. Unconditional insert all. Insert all purpose is copying records. Insert all means copying records. Unconditional, without using any condition. So without using any condition, if you want to copy the records, go for unconditional insert all. How to use it? Remember this syntax, follow it. Remember the syntax and follow it. What is the syntax? Observe here. First, you tell me the syntax of insert command. To that, I make some changes. Tell me, sir, what is the syntax of insert? Insert into table name, values, values list we give. This you already know. Okay. So I already told this entire one is called insert command, or you can say insert query. And every query is made up of with clauses. Every query contains clauses. This insert is the clause, into is the clause, and values is the clause. You tell me now, in the insert command, how many into clauses we are writing? How many values clauses we are writing? In the insert command, how many into clauses we are writing? How many values clauses we are writing? One. One into clause, one values clause. But we want to copy into multiple tables. Inserts into one table. But we want to insert into multiple tables. So write multiple into clauses, multiple values classes. Any number of into clauses you can write. Any number of values clauses you can write. No limit is there for this. Just instead of writing insert, write insert all. But insert all purpose is not to insert new records. Insert all purpose is not to insert new records. Its purpose is copying records. So for copying records, from existing table, it has to select the records. For copying records, from existing table, it has to select the records. From existing table, if we want to select the records, we need to write select query. Select query. So this select query result only. The select query result means rows. These rows only. It inserts into this table, this table, this table, this table, like this. So one table data we are copying to multiple tables using insert all. I'm not using any condition for copying here. Unconditional insert all. For easy remembrance purpose, I compared with insert set. Insert purpose is inserting new record. Insert all purpose is copying records. Purpose is different. But for easy remembrance purpose, I explained like this. Once again, I am telling, listen. This is the syntax of insert. This is the syntax of insert command. So in insert command, we are writing one into class, one values class. In the insert command, we are writing one into class, one values class. But insert all purpose is inserting into multiple tables. So write multiple into classes, multiple values classes. Any number of into classes, any number of values classes, we can write. Any number of into classes, any number of values classes, we can write. Just instead of writing insert here, just write insert all. Insert all. Okay. But insert all purpose is not to insert new records. Its purpose is copying records. So from existing table, we have to select the records. Those we have to insert into these tables. From existing table, we need to select the records. Those records we have to insert into these tables. So from existing table, if we want to select the records, we need to write select query here. Select query. So the select query result means we are getting some rows. These rows, it inserts into this table, this table, this table, and this table. So one table data, we are inserting into multiple tables. So to copy one table data to multiple tables, we are using insert all. Insert all can be used in two ways. Unconditional insert all, conditional insert all. Unconditional insert all means without using any condition, we are copying the records. I'm not using any condition here. Observe, there is no condition. Directly we are copying into many tables. This is unconditional insert all. Sometimes we need to insert limited column values. To insert limited column values, here we can give column list. This point you already know. That is why I didn't write. To insert limited column values, here we give columns list after table name. Okay, so remember this syntax. Follow it. This is unconditional insert all syntax. Okay, now come to this example now. This is EMP table, sir. Example on unconditional insert all. Example on unconditional insert all. How to use unconditional insert all. Observe now. So this is EMP table, original table. It has 8 columns, 14 rows. This is EMP table, original table. It has 8 columns, 14 rows. This is another existing table, EMP10. This is EMP10 table. It has 4 columns, no rows. This EMP10 has 4 columns, no rows. This is another existing table, EMP11. This is another existing table, EMP11. It has also 4 columns, no rows. This is another existing table, EMP12. This is another existing table, EMP12. It has also 4 columns, no rows. Okay. Now my requirement is I want to copy this EMP table. I want to copy this EMP table 14 rows. This EMP table 14 rows. Copy to EMP10, EMP11, and EMP12. This is my requirement. EMP table all rows. Copy to EMP10, EMP11, EMP12. This is my requirement, sir. So for this, we have to use unconditional insert all. We want to copy all rows. To copy all rows, no need to check any condition. Suppose I want to copy only managers rows. Then I need to check condition. When job equals to manager, then only copy. Then only copy into EMP10 values, employee number, ename, job, salary, like this. This is conditional insert all. Based on the condition we are copying. If manager, then only copy. This is conditional insert all. If you want to copy only manager's records, we need to check condition. But we want to copy all records. To copy all records, no need to check any condition. I want to copy all 14 rows to EMP10, EMP11, and EMP12. So if you want to copy all rows, no need to check any condition. So unconditional insert. How to write, understand now? See, sir, just remember the syntax, follow it, sir. Insert all. Into which tables we want to copy, sir? EMP10, EMP11, EMP12. How many columns data? 4 columns data. So how to get EMP table 4 columns data? That select query we already know. Which select query we write, sir? Select employee number, ename, job, salary from EMP. So we are getting EMP table 4 columns, all rows we are getting, sir. These all rows we want to copy into EMP10. So write like this, insert all into which table we want to copy? EMP10. Okay, we are inserting all 4 column values. So no need to write column list. Values. Which values we are inserting? Employee number, ename, job, salaries. These are the values selected by select command here. Here values selected. These values it is inserting here in the EMP10. That is inserted. Like this we write. In the same way, to copy into EMP11, write like this, into EMP11. We are inserting all values. So no need to write columns list. Here write employee number, comma, ename, comma, job, comma, salary. Next, we want to copy into EMP12 also, into EMP12 values, employee number, ename, job, salary. Finally, we have to write select query. That's it. I'm following this syntax only, sir. Very, very easy. First, actually, these 3 tables are not ready. Let me create these 3 tables first. EMP10, EMP11, EMP12. With EMP table 4 columns without rows. Means copying table structure. How to copy table structure you already know or not? Tell me, sir, how to create this EMP10 table now? How to create EMP10 table, sir? Create table EMP10 as select employee number, ename, job, salary from EMP, where very good, 1 equals to 2. So we are creating EMP10 table with 4 columns without rows. Rows we don't want. So right, 1 equals to 2. So EMP10 table will be created. Let me open SQL Plus here. Login as our batch user. C # batch 2PM. Naresh IT. Set page size 200. Line size 200. Clear the script. Understand here? Just I am copying this query. If any table is there with the name EMP10, I am dropping that one. EMP11, EMP12. Okay, no tables are there. Good. I'm copying this query. See here, EMP10 table created with 4 columns without rows. In the same way, I want to create EMP11 also. ED. EMP11. EMP11 also created with 4 columns without rows. I want to create EMP12. ED. EMP12. EMP12 also created. Now open and see the table data. See, sir. Select star from EMP10, no rows. EMP11, no rows. EMP12, no rows. Now EMP table, all 14 rows. EMP table, all 14 rows, 4 columns data, all 14 rows. We want to insert into EMP10, EMP11, EMP12. So we want to copy all rows. So use unconditional insert all. You tell me, sir, how to write insert all now? You tell me. Insert all. Into which table? EMP10. Values. Which values we are inserting? Employee number, e-name, job, salary. Then again, into EMP11. Values. Employee number, e-name, job, salary. Again, we want to copy into EMP12 also. Into EMP12. Values. Employee number, e-name, job, salary. Finally, write select query. How to write select query? Select employee number, e-name, job, salary from EMP. Right, like this. Okay. Can we write star, sir? Can we write star? Yes, you can write. Because what is the meaning of star? Star means all columns. Star means all columns. Star will be replaced with employee number, e-name, job, manager ID, hire date, salary, commission, department number, all columns. So star means all columns, sir. In the all columns, employee number is there. In the all columns, e-name is there. In the all columns, job is there. So in the all columns, salary is also there. That is why. Can we write star? Yes. All columns selected means employee number selected, e-name selected, job selected, salary selected. No problem. So can we write star here? Yes, we can write. No, if you want to improve performance, select only 4 columns data. Employee number, e-name, job, salary. That's it, sir. Now understand here. EMP table has 14 rows. 14 rows will be inserted into EMP10. 14 rows will be inserted into EMP11. 14 rows will be inserted into EMP12. Okay. So 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 14, 42. Total, how many rows created here? 42 rows created. This is the output we get, 42. 42. 42 rows created. This is the output we get, sir. In the EMP10, 14 rows inserted. In the EMP11, 14 rows. In the EMP12, 14 rows. Total, how many rows created? 42 rows created. Check, sir. 42 rows. Observe. To save this data, right? Commit. Commit. So EMP table, 4 columns, all rows inserted into EMP10, EMP11, EMP12. Insert all is used to copy one table data to multiple tables. Now copied or not, check here. Before insert all, EMP10 no rows, EMP11 no rows, EMP12 no rows. After insert all, check here. Select star from EMP10, 14 rows. EMP10 has 14 rows, 4 columns. Observe. EMP10 has 14 rows now. Before insert all, before this insert all, EMP10 no rows. EMP10 no rows. After insert all, in the EMP10 we got EMP table all rows. EMP table all rows. In the EMP10, we got all rows. All 14 rows of EMP table we got. Check in the EMP11 also. Select star from EMP11, 14 rows. In the EMP11, we got 14 rows. Next, select star from EMP12. In the EMP12 also we got 14 rows. Observe. EMP12, 14 rows. That's it. So this is about unconditional insert all. Unconditional insert all topic is over. Finally, the conclusion is to copy one table data to multiple tables. We use insert all. Without using condition, if you want to copy, go for unconditional insert all. Is it clear up to here, sir? Online students, please confirm. Is it clear up to here? Online students, please, all of you confirm in the chat box. So if you understand, say yes. We can move forward, please. Punesh. Contact number available in the notes front page. The chat box also is available. Okay. Now, second one, conditional inserter. So, just now we have seen unconditional inserter. For unconditional inserter, we have written like this. Observe the syntax here. First, I am writing syntax of unconditional inserter. To that, I am making some changes. Observe. I am writing like this. Insert all into table name values list like this. We can write any number of into classes, any number of values classes. Finally, we write select query. This is unconditional insert all. You already know. Without using any condition, we are copying. Now, based on condition, I want to copy now. Based on condition, I want to copy. So to write condition, we use when then class set. When then class. When condition then like this. To specify the condition, take the help of when then class. When condition one then like this. So if condition one is true, then copy into this table like this. When condition 2 is true, when condition 2 is true, then copy into this table. Okay, like this, any number of conditions you can write. When condition 3, then into another table name values. When condition 4, then into table name values. Any number of conditions we can specify. No problem, no limit is there. Finally, if all conditions are false, I want to copy into some another table. So to specify that, right, else into table name values list. That's it. Okay. If this, okay, observe here. If these when thens are not there, if these when thens are not there, else is not there. This is unconditional insert all. Observe. Unconditional insert all. For conditional insert all, what we are writing? Insert all. We are specifying the condition here. To specify the condition, we are writing when then. In the when then specify condition. Okay, if this condition is true, copy into this table. If this condition is true, copy into this table. If all conditions are false, copy into this table like this. Okay. Here, this when then, listen carefully. Here, this when then is equivalent to, it is equivalent to if control structure in C Java. This is just like if control structure in C Java. Okay, just like it in C language or in Java, you're writing like this. If condition 1, sorry, if condition 1, okay, here you're writing some statements like this. So if this condition is true, then this code will be executed. If condition is false, that code will not be executed. This is if control structure. Here is acting like if, sir. If this condition is true, copies into this table. If condition is false, directly checks second condition like this. So it is acting like if here. My statement is very clear. Okay, it is acting like if. Okay, even if first condition is true or false, definitely check second condition. Even if second condition is true or false, definitely checks third condition. Even if third condition is true or false, definitely checks fourth condition. Because here it is equivalent to if. So this is one if, this is another if, like that. Okay. If condition 1, then statements like this were right. Another if condition 2. Okay. These if block statements were right. Understand here, this is multi if. This is multi if. This is if else if. This one is if else if. Else if. Else if. Condition 2. Understand this point, sir? Okay. Understand this one and this one, sir. Here, this is what? Multi if. This is what? Multi if. This is what? If else if. Both are same or different? Are they both same or different? Different. But the difference is there. In case of if else if, in case of if else if first condition is true, it never checks remaining conditions here. That is the meaning of else if. Else if. If first condition is true, it never checks remaining conditions. That is the meaning of else if. When it checks second condition here, when first condition is false. If first condition is false, then only it checks second condition. Otherwise, it never checks second condition. If first condition is true, it never checks remaining conditions. That is the meaning of else if. So if first condition is false, then only, if first condition is false, then only it checks second condition. But whereas here, even if first condition is true or false, definitely it checks second condition. Even if second condition is true or false, definitely it checks third condition. Even if third condition is true or false, definitely it checks fourth condition. So here, this when then acts like if. This when then acts like if. Here multiple when thens are there. It is just like multi if. Even if first condition is true or false, definitely it checks next condition. Even if this second condition is true or false, definitely it checks third condition. Even if third condition is true or false, definitely it checks fourth condition. When all conditions are false, then copies into else table. Are you understanding, sir? Okay. In case of if else if first condition is true, it will not check remaining conditions. In multi if, even if first condition is true or false, definitely it checks next condition. Even if second condition true or false, definitely checks third condition. So here when then acts like multi if. Even if first condition is true or false, definitely checks second condition. So insert all means here when then acts like multi if. So suppose if you want this behavior, if first condition is true, I don't want to check remaining conditions. If you want this behavior, here instead of writing insert all, we have to write insert first. Insert first means here when then acts like, here when then acts like if else if. If else if. If you write insert all means when then acts like multi if. Insert first. Insert first means here when then acts like if else if. Means if first condition is true, it never checks remaining conditions because I'm writing insert first. When it checks second condition, when first condition is false, then only. So this is the difference. If you want, if every condition should be tested means insert all. If first condition is true, if you don't want to check remaining conditions, then go for insert first. Like this. Based on your requirement, use them. Here you can write insert all you can write or insert first also you can write. Possibility is there. So remember the syntax, follow it. And writing else is optional, not compulsory. Else is optional, not compulsory. See one example on it. Okay. Did you understand the syntax, sir? See the example. This is EMP table. It has 8 columns, 14 rows. This is one existing table, EMP underscore MGR. It has 4 columns. What are those 4 columns? Employee number, e-name, job, salary. How many rows? No rows. This is another existing table. EMP underscore clerk, 4 columns, no rows. Another existing table, 4 columns, no rows. So this EMP table has 8 columns, 14 rows. This EMP MGR has 4 columns, no rows. Existing table. This is another existing table, EMP clerk. It has also 4 columns, no rows. EMP others, it has also 4 columns, no rows. Now, in these 14 rows, some employees are working as managers, some employees are working as clerks, some employees are working as analysts, some employees are working as salesmen, and one president is also there. Now, what is our requirement now? In this EMP table rows, these managers rows, these managers rows, these managers rows copy to, only managers rows copy to EMP underscore MGR. Maybe 3 managers are there. Those 3 rows only, 3 managers rows only, 3 managers rows only. I want to copy here. Copy managers rows only. This clerk rows copy to EMP underscore clerk. Maybe 4 clerks are there. Those 4 clerk rows copy into EMP underscore clerk. These are other than manager clerk. Other than manager clerks copy into EMP underscore others. Maybe 7 employees are there. Those 7 rows copy into EMP underscore others. Did you understand the question? Question అర్థమైందా బాబు? See, EMP table has 14 rows. In the 14 rows, only managers copy to EMP underscore MGR. Only clerks copy to EMP underscore clerk. Other than managers, clerks copy to EMP underscore others. So how to write now? Understand here. Write like this. Insert all. Insert all. To write the condition, we are writing when. Which column value we have to check now? Job. If job is manager, if job is manager, then copy into which table? EMP underscore MGR. Values. Which values we want to insert? Job salary. That's it. Okay. When job value is equals to clerk, then if job value is clerk, then into EMP underscore clerk. Values. Employee number, e-name, job, salary. Employee number, e-name, job, salary. Else, if job is other than manager clerk, into EMP underscore others. EMP underscore others. Values. Employee number, values. Employee number, e-name, job, salary. Finally, we have to write select query. Select star from EMP. Can we write star, sir? Yes, star we can write. That's it. So this is conditional insert. If manager, then only copy into EMP underscore MG. You tell me, sir, here when then, is it acting like multi-if or if-else if? Here when then, is it acting like multi-if or if-else if? Multi-if. Even if first condition is true or false, definitely checking second condition. Suppose one employee manager, sir. Suppose one employee manager, true. So copied. Then unnecessarily you are checking, is he clerk or not? Time waste, right? Already first condition is true. First condition true means he is manager. Unnecessarily you are checking second condition here. So time will be wasted. So for this, instead of writing insert all, it is better to write insert first. It improves the performance. If I write insert first, if first condition is true, it never checks remaining conditions. So if I write insert first, it acts like if else if. When then acts like if else if. So it is better to use insert first for this example. Now, first EMP MGR table is not ready. Okay, let me create these three tables with 4 columns without rows. How to create, you already know. How to create them, you already know. Create this EMP MGR table with 4 columns without rows, sir. Create this table. What we have tried? Create table EMP underscore MGR as select employee number, not star, 4 columns only. Select employee number, e-name, job, salary from EMP. Where? I don't want rows. 1 equals to 2. Table created. In the same way, create EMP underscore clerk also. EMP underscore clerk. Second table created. ED. EMP underscore others. Third table created. Third table created. Open and see all these 3 tables data. Observe here. Select star from. Okay. EMP underscore MGR. No rows. Observe. EMP underscore clerk. No rows. EMP underscore others. No rows. What is our requirement now? Copy manager's rows to EMP underscore MGR. Copy clerk rows to EMP underscore clerk. Other than manager's clerks, copy to EMP underscore others. So one EMP table data, manager's rows copy to EMP underscore MGR, clerks to EMP underscore clerk, other than managers clerks to EMP underscore others. So one table data, we want to copy to multiple tables. So go for insert all. One table data, we want to copy to multiple tables. So go for insert all. Using condition, we want to copy. So go for conditional insert all. Tell me the query, sir. What we need to write? Insert all when job equals to manager. Then it is better to use insert first actually. Okay. So insert first. It improves the performance for this example. If first condition is true, I don't want to check next condition. So write insert first. When job equals to manager, then copy into which table? MP underscore MGR. Values. Which values we want to copy? Job salary. Good. Next. When job equals to clerk. If job is clerk, then into EMP underscore clerk. Values. Employee number, e-name, job, salary. Else. If this condition false means is not manager. This condition false means is not clerk. Other than manager clerk. Copy into EMP underscore others. Values. Employee number, e-name, job, salary. Finally, we had to write select query. How to write select query? Select star from here. Now, if you want to specify columns list, you can specify columns list also like this. Employee number, e-name, job, salary from EMP. Now, understand now what happens here. Understand, sir? Here, all 14 rows selected, sir. All 14 rows selected. Your condition will be tested. Suppose first employee working as clerk. Is first employee working as clerk. Is clerk equals to manager? False. Checks next condition. Is clerk equals to clerk? True. Inserts into this table. Like this it works, sir. Suppose second employee working as manager. It checks condition here. Is manager equals to manager? Yes, true. Inserts into EMP underscore MG. If first condition is true, it will not check remaining conditions. Next employee working as salesman, sir. Salesman. Okay, first condition false. Salesman equals to manager false. Salesman equals to clerk false. Salesman equals to manager false. Salesman equals to clerk false. All conditions false. Inserts into emp underscore others. Like this. On every row, it will be applied. Okay. So clerk rows it is inserting into emp underscore clerk. Managers it is inserting into emp underscore mgr. Others it is inserting into emp underscore others. Understand, sir? In this table, 3 rows inserted, 3 manager. In this table, 4 rows inserted, 4 clerks. In this table, 7 rows inserted, other than managers clerks. Total how many rows inserted, sir? 14 rows. That is why we get output as 14 rows created. We get output as 14 rows created. Observe 14 rows created. Now check in the emp underscore mgr. Only managers rows copied are not check here. Observe, sir. Only managers rows copied. Observe. Before this insert all, before this insert all, or insert first. Okay. No rows were there in the emp underscore mgr. No rows were there in the emp underscore clerk. No rows were there in the emp underscore others. But after this insert all, now emp mgr has managers rows. emp underscore clerk has clerk rows. emp underscore others has other than managers clerks rows. Observe. Salesman, analyst, president. See. So this is about conditional insert all. So in the notes, some assignments will be there. Try them. For example, this is EMP table. It has 8 columns, 14 rows. My requirement is department number 10. This table has columns like employee number, e-name, department number. 3 columns are there. No rows are there. This department 10, another table, another existing table. Department 20. 3 columns, no rows. Department others. Department others. 3 columns, no rows. What is my requirement now? This EMP table has 8 columns, 14 rows. Some employees are working in department 10. Some employees working in department 20. Some employees working in department 30. And assume some employees working in department 40. What is the requirement now? If employees working in department number 10, copy them into department 10 table. If employees working in department number 20, copy them into department 20 table. So 10th department employees copy into department 10 table. 20th department employees copy into department 20 table. Other than 10, 20, copy into department others. So based on the condition, we have to copy. So go for conditional insert all. What we are read here? Insert all. When? What's the condition here? Department number equals to 10. Then into department 10 values, employee number, e-name, department number, like this. When department number equals to 20, like this we need to write, sir. Can you try this one, sir? Right. So such kind of assignments may be there in the notes. Refer them, practice them. So insert all topic is over. Finally, the conclusion is to copy one table data to multiple tables. We are using insert all. Without using condition, if you want to copy, use unconditional insert all. Based on condition, if you want to copy, go for conditional insert all. Insert all topic is over. Is it clear about insert all? Insert all over, sir. Online students, please confirm. Is it clear about insert all? Next. Listen. Next, we need to discuss about merge command. If you don't listen, you cannot understand this one. So listen carefully. Merge command. Merge command purpose I am explaining. Okay, so those who are working as data analyst, okay, so for data analysis, okay, those who are working as ETL developer, for them this merge is very important. And generally for a Java developer, .NET developer, Python developer, it is not that much important. But for knowledge purpose, I am explaining. Listen carefully, try to understand. So organization has to maintain duplicate copies for several reasons. For example, this is EMP, sir, original table. Is original table. This is its copy, sir. This is its copy. Its copy. EMP table copy. So this copy is called replica. This one we call as replica. Replica means duplicate copy. We should aware of this term, sir. Organization has to maintain replicas, means duplicate copies for several reasons. Maybe they want to maintain backup copy of EMP table. Backup copy. If any hardware is failed or software is failed, okay, so we can recover from this backup copy. Okay, so like this, organization has to maintain duplicate copies for several reasons. This duplicate copy is called replica. Replica means duplicate copy. Organization has to maintain replicas due to several reasons. Maybe they want to maintain backup copy. Maybe they want to maintain historical data. Maybe they are using distributed database management system like this. Many reasons may be there to maintain the duplicate copies. Maybe with duplicate copy, they want to do analysis. Okay, like this, many reasons may be there to generate the replica. So see one case here. One bank is maintaining like this. One bank's branch office is maintaining one bank's branch office or branch office is maintaining their customers details in the customer table here. So who is maintaining this table? Branch office is maintaining. At the end of the day, at closing time, they transfer this data to the head office. They're maintaining like this. Every branch is maintaining their own database. Every branch is maintaining their own database. Every branch is maintaining their own database. Observe here. This first branch office is maintaining their customers' details in their branch office database only. In their branch office location only, they're maintaining their customers' details. Branch office 2 is maintaining their customers' details in their branch office only. Assume they're maintaining like this. Every branch office is maintaining their local database. At the end of the day, they're transferring their data to the head office. So same organization's data stored in many locations, distributed DBMS. So this head office maintains all branches data here. Branch 1 data stored here and branch 2 data stored here like this. At the end of the day, they're transferring that data to the head office. So in the head office server, all branches information is there. Assume that they are maintaining like this. Now, this is customer table, which is maintained by the branch office. Customer ID, customer name, customer address. First customer from HYD, second customer from Delhi. Like this data is there. So this is original table maintained by branch office. Branch office is maintaining this original table. At end of the day, this data will be transferred to head office. So head office is maintaining its replica. This is replica. Replica. Replica means duplicate copy. So like this, they are maintaining, sir. Okay. So branch office is maintaining their own customers details in their local database. At end of the day, they're transferring that data to the head office. So head office is maintaining all branches information distributed DBMS. Okay. Now understand here. Today, two new customers opened accounts, sir, in this branch. In this branch today, two new customers. Today, two new customers opened account. So we are inserting those two new customers records. 1003 C is from Chennai. 1004 D is from Mumbai. Okay. These two new customers visited bank today and they opened account in this branch office. So two new customers records they inserted here. And this first customer informed that in his name typing mistake is there. His name is AB. Bank typed that as A. And he informed that he shifted to Bangalore. So they changed address as Bangalore now. Like this. Now notice here. This is original table. This is copy. Copy means same data should be there. But as of now, same data is not there. Observe. In the original table, 2 rows are there. In the copy, in the original table, 4 rows are there. But in the copy, 2 rows are there. In the original table, first customer name is AB, is city Bangalore. But in copy, name is A, city HY. So replica has wrong data now. So what we have to do at the end of the day, these changes, this original table changes, we need to apply to its replica. Original table changes apply to its replica. So to apply original table changes to its replica, to apply original table changes to its replica, we are using the command merge. Merge command. Using merge command, it is possible. Using merge command, we can apply original table changes to its replica. One table changes. If we want to apply to its replica, go for merge. Simple. If anyone is not understanding, for them, once again I am telling, listen. This is original table maintained by branch office. One bank's branch office is maintaining their customers' details and their own location. Same data also maintained by head office. It is a replica. As of now, same data is there. Okay, no problem. Today, two new customers opened account. So bank inserted those two new records in this original table. And this first customer, he informed that in his name typing mistake is there. And he shifted to Bangalore. So bank updated this record. Now this is original table. This is replica. Replica means same data should be there. But as of now, same data is not there. Original table has 4 rows. Replica has 2 rows. Okay. And first record, original table has ABBLR, but in replica, AHYD. Wrong data we are maintaining. Head office is maintaining wrong data here. So at end of the day, this original table changes. We need to apply to its replica. Apply original table changes to its replica. So merge these changes, merge customer table changes into its copy. So to apply one table changes to its replica, we use the command merge. Merge command is used to apply one table changes to its replica. Now just apply the common sense here. You tell me. 1001 record. Existing record or new record? 1003 record. Existing record or new record? Understand here. Here 1001 is there in the customer table. 1001 also there in the customer copy. So if original table customer ID is equals to this replica's customer ID, if both are matching, means that is existing record. Original table customer ID, if not matched with replica customer IDs, this is new record. Now you tell me now, 1001 existing record or new record? Existing record. So if existing record, we have to update, sir. Update it. Update A with AB, update HYD with BL. 1002. Is it existing record or new record? Existing record. So update it. Update it. Next, 1003. Is it existing record or new record? New record. So new record means insert it. If existing record, update it. If new record, insert it. Insert 1003 record. 1003 C Chennai. Next, 1004. Existing record or new record? New record. New record means what we have to do? Insert. Insert 1004 D Mumbai. So if existing record, update. If new record, insert. So here 2 records we need to update. 2 records we need to insert. 4 rows we are merging here. That's it. This is merge operation. Once again I am telling, sir. This is original table. This is replica. What is our requirement now? Apply original table changes to its replica. To apply original table changes to its replica, use the command merge command. Using merge command, one table changes we can apply to its replica. Okay, if existing record, so we need to check condition like this, sir. Original table customer ID, is it equals to, is it matching with replica's customer ID or not? We have to check. So can we write CID equals to CID? Can we write like this, sir? Can we write condition like this? No. Because of column name is same, we cannot write like that. So prefix with table name. What we have to write? Customer dot CID. Customer copy dot CID. But in real time, table names may be lengthy. To make it short, for original table, I'm giving alias name as S. For this replica, I'm giving alias name as T. T. S means source table. T means target table. So how to access this 1001 now? S.cid. How to access this 1001 now? T.cid. So what is the condition it has to check now? S.cid equals to T.cid. S.cid equals to T.cid. So this is merge condition, sir. This is merge condition. So S.cid equals to T.cid. This is merge condition. S.cid equals to T.cid. This is merge condition. So what we have to do now? This source table customer ID compare with target table customer ID. Observe, sir, both are matched or not? Both are matched or not? Matched. Matched means existing record. If existing record, what we need to do, sir? Update. I'm sorry. Update. If existing record, update. So what we have to update? This T.C name we have to update. T.C name update with S.C name. S.C name value AB. Here we want to get AP. Next, update t.ccity. Update t.ccity with s.cct. S.cct value BLR. Now, first record updated, observe sir. Because of it is existing record, updated. If source table customer ID, if source table customer ID matching with target table customer ID, then update it. Again, source table customer ID 1002. Is it matching with any customer ID in the target table, sir? Yes, matched. Matched means what we have to do? Update. Update. Update t.cname with s.cname. Which data modified? I don't know. I'm modifying all rows. Okay. T.cct. T.cct modify with s.cct. S.cct. DLS. Like this. So second record also updated. Second record also updated. Next, third record. Is 1003 matching with any customer ID the target table? No. So not matched here. Not matched. If not matched means new record. New record means what we have to do now? Insert. So how to access this 1003? S.cid. So S.cid 1003 insert here. S.cname C insert here. S.cct CHN insert here. So third record inserted. First two records updated. If existing record, update. If new record, insert. Again, 1004. Is it matching with any customer ID here? No. Not matched. Not matched means what we have to do? Insert. Insert 1004 record. S.cid 1004. S.cname D. S.cct MU. Fourth record inserted. So if existing record, update. These two are existing records. So update. Two records updated. If new records, okay, if customer ID not matched with any customer ID in that copy, that is new record. If not matched, new record. If new record, insert. So two new records are there. Those are inserted. If existing record, update. If new record, insert. How we are deciding existing record? If source table customer ID matching with target table customer ID, existing record, so update. If source table customer ID not matching with target table customer ID, that is new record, insert. If new record, insert. If existing record, update. So in the merge operation, what we are doing, either update or insert. So merge is the combination of merge operation means if existing record, update it. If new record, insert. So merge is equals to update plus insert. That is why some members call this merge command as upset command. Merge command can be also called as upset command. From update command, they had taken UP word. From insert command, they had taken SCRT word. So merge command can be also called as upset command. From update, they had taken upward. From insert, they had taken last four characters SCRT. So merge command can be also called as upset command. Because in the merge operation, if existing record, update it. If new record, insert it. In the merge operation, we are updating a record or inserting the record. Did you get some idea regarding merge, sir? Merge. This merge command also introduced in Oracle 9 version. What is the purpose of it? It is it to apply one table changes to its replica. To apply one table changes to its replica, we use it. Replica means duplicate copy. To apply one table changes to its replica, use it. Okay. Before Oracle 9.9, to do this operation, We were writing separate PL SQL program. So it awaits of this merge command awaits of defining a separate program. You have no need to define separate program to perform merge operation. Directly you can use merge command. Before Oracle 9.9, we were writing separate program for this. We were defining trigger for this. But from 9A version onwards, no need to define separate program. Just write merge command. So this is the advantage we get. So how to use merge command? See the syntax here. Easy. I already told merge is equals to in the merge operation what we are doing. If existing record, update. If new record, insert. So merge is the combination of update and insert. So merge operation is a combination of update and insert. It is a combination of update and insert. Merge is a combination of update and insert. That is why it can be also called as upset command. It can be also called as upset command. Merge command can be also called as upset command, because in the merge operation either we do update or insert. If existing record, update. If new record, insert. How to use it? Observe here. See the syntax. We write like this: merge into which table? Tell that one. Target table name. To make this table name short, give target table alias. Target table alias name. According to this example, you tell me, sir, according to this example, which one is the source table? Which one is the target table? Customer is source table. Target table is what, sir? Customer com. Alias name T. Source table, customer table S. So write like this: merge into which table? Customer copy. Customer copy. What is alias name? T. T. Using which table we are merging? Using source table. Using source table we are merging. What is source table name? Customer. Give source table alias. Yes. Source table alias. Yes. Okay. On merge condition. On here we write merge condition, sir. Merge condition we write. Okay. What is the merge condition here? S.cid equals to T.cid. If source table customer ID is matched with target table customer ID, that is existing record. Not matched means new record. That one only I'm writing here. When matched means existing record. If source table customer ID matched with target table customer ID means existing record. If existing record, update it. Update. When not matched, if source table customer ID not matched with customer ID, that is new record. New record means what we have to do? Insert. How to write update command? How to write insert command? Listen. So generally, we write update command like this: update table name set. Okay, column name equals to new value. Like this we write. You already know this one. Is a way of writing update command. But it is not individual update command, sir. This update we are writing in the merge. So in which table it has to update? Already above you mentioned now. Above you mentioned table name, sir. In this target table only, it has to update. In this target table, you want to update. So table name already mentioned above. That is why no need to write table name again. Directly write update set. Why we are not writing table name? Table name you mentioned above. Oracle already knows in which table it has to update. Above you mentioned it. So don't write it. So here give target table column name. Target table column name. Here give source table column name. Source table column name. So with this source table value, we want to update in the target column. In this example, okay, this A modify with AB. So where we want to update the T dot cname. So we write like this: set update set which column value we want to modify, T dot cname. With which value we want to modify, S dots. What is S dot cname value? AP. That will be stored in the T dot cname. A modified with AP. T dot cct. I'm writing like this: T dot cct. T dot cct equals to S dot cct. What is S dot cct value here? PLR. That will be stored in the T dot cct. So HYD will be modified with PLR. So T dot cct modified with S dot cct. Like this we write, sir. Target table column name equals to source table column name. Like this we write. So the source table value we are updating in the target column. Source table value we are updating in the target column. Like this. Are you understanding, sir? This is a way of writing update. Update. Don't write table name because table name mentioned above. Set target table column name equals to source table column name. When not matched, then insert. Generally, how to write insert command? Insert into table name values. Like this we write. Values list we write. This you already know. But this is not individual insert command. This insert command we're writing in the merge. Here into table name you already mentioned above. In which table Oracle has to insert, already it notes it. So no need to write into table name. Into table name already you have written above. So that is why no need to write into table name. Just write insert values. Which values you want to insert? Give that values list. That's it, sir. Remember this syntax. Follow it. So what we are doing, observe here, when matched. Matched means existing record. If existing record, update. When not matched means new record. New record means insert. So in the merge operation, what we are doing, either update or insert. If existing record, update. If new record, insert. Merge is the combination of update and insert. So remember this syntax, follow it. Now, according to this example, observe, sir, we want to combine this customer table changes to customer copy. So how to write, understand here? Merge into. What we are write, sir? Observe. Merge into. Merge into. Which table? Target table name. Target table name, sir. Customer copy. Customer copy. What is the table alias? T. Using which table we want to merge? Using source table name. Customer. Alias name is what? Yes. On. What is the merge condition here? Source table customer ID equals to target table customer ID. Matched means existing record. If existing record, what we have to do? Update. Update. Table name already mentioned above. So what we have write here? Set. Which column value we want to modify? T dot C name. T dot C name. With which value we want to modify? S dot C name. So S dot C name value we want to get in the T dot C name. So write that one only. T dot C name equals to S dot C name. So S dot C name value AB will be stored in the T dot C name. Next, this is T dot CCT, sir. Modify with S dot CCT. T dot CCT modify with S dot CCT. So write comma. What we are writing here? T dot CCT equals to S dot CCT. S dot CCT value is BLR. BLR will be stored in the T dot CCT like this. So this is the way of using update. Next, when not matched. When not matched. Not matched means new record. So when not matched, not matched, then not matched, then insert. Insert into table name already you have written. So directly write values. Which values we want to insert? 1003 we want to insert here. 1003. How to access 1003? How to access 1003? S.cid. S.cid insert here. How to access this C? S.cname. How to access Chennai? S.cct. That's it. Those only we are writing. So here, which values we have to insert here? S.cid, S.cname, S.cct. That only we are writing, sir. You tell me the merge command now. Okay, first tables are not ready. Let me create the tables first. Within 5 minutes, I close the session, sir. Observe here. So first create customer table. Okay, let me create customer table, sir. Quickly, I'm creating this customer table now. This customer table I'm creating. Customer table, not customer copy. Customer table I'm create. Create table. Table name is customer. Opening parenthesis. First column CID number of 4. Comma. Second column CName varchar 2 after. Comma. Third column customer city care of 3. Care of 3. Bracket close. Semicolon. Table created. Insert 2 records here. Insert into customer values. Values are 1001 A HYD. Insert one more record. Insert into customer values 1002 B DLH. To save this data, right? Bishwaranjan, what happened, boss? What you're typing? Don't have manners, idiot. What you're doing there? Commit. If you don't have interest, leave the classroom, boss. Bishwaranjan. If you don't have interest, leave the classroom. Why you are typing unnecessarily? I'm providing chat box for doubts, for giving responses. What you're typing, idiot? You should have manners. Don't disturb the class like that. Select star from customer. See, this is customer type. Now I want to create its replica. How to create copy, you already know. How to create the copy, sir? Exact copy. Yesterday we learned copying table. To copy the table, use create command plus select command. How to create new table from existing table? Create table. What's the new table name? Customer copy as select star from customer. Do you know this or not? Exact copy will be created. Open and see the table data. Select star from customer. Original table. Select star from customer copy. Replica. As of now, same data is there. It is original table. It is replica. Same data is there. No problem. Today, two new customers opened account. Insert into customer values. Okay. 1003 C is from Chennai. And another customer also opened account. 1004 D is from Mumbai. So two customers opened account. Bank inserted those records. And first customer informed that he shifted to Bangalore. In his name, typing mistake is there. So bank updated first record. Update. In which table? Customer, original table. Set customer name equals to AP. Customer city equals to BLR. Where customer ID equals to 1001. Observe here. Now open and see the both tables data now. Commit. Open and see both tables data now. First table, original table. Select star from customer. Select star from customer. Observe, sir. See here. This is original table. Customer copy. Replica. Replica has no same data. Observe. This is original table data. This is replica. Original table has 4 rows. Replica has 2 rows. In original table, first row is ABBLR and first row is AHY. So we need to apply original table changes to its replica now. So we have to use merge command. Remember this syntax and tell me now. Merge into target table name, target table alias. Using source table name, source table alias. On merge condition. When matched, update. When not matched, insert. Tell me now how to write merge command, sir. Merge into target table name. Customer copy. Alias name. T. Okay. Using source table name. Customer. Alias name. Yes. On merge condition. What's the merge condition here? S.cid equals to T.cid. When matched, then okay. If matched means existing record. Existing record means what we have to do? Update. Set. Which column value we want to modify? T.cname. With which new value? S.cname. In another column, T.ccd equals to S.ccd. That's it. Target table column values we are modifying with source table column values. Next, when not matched. When not matched. Not matched means new record. When not matched. Not matched means new record. So new record means what we have to do here? Insert. Into table name already mentioned above. What we have read here? Values. Values. How to access source table customer ID? S.cid. Customer name? S.cname. Customer city? So source table data we are inserting. So according to this example, how many existing rows are there? 2 existing rows. So 2 rows will be updated. How many new rows are there? 2 new rows. 2 rows will be inserted. So total how many rows merged here? 4 rows merged. 2 rows updated, 2 rows inserted. 1001, 1002 updated, 1003, 1004 inserted. 2 records inserted, 2 records updated, 2 records inserted. 1001, 1002 updated. 1003, 1004 inserted. 2 rows updated, 2 rows inserted. 4 rows merged. That is why we are getting output as 4 rows merged. Observe. Merged or not, check here. Original table. To save this data, write commit. This is original table. Select star from customer. Original table, 4 rows. This is replica. Original table changes applied to replica. Observe, sir. Applied or not? First 2 rows updated, second 2 rows inserted. So to apply one table changes to its replica, we are using merge. Is it clear about merge, sir? Is it clear? I'm stopping the session here. So in the notes, very clearly I mentioned this example. Refer to the notes and practice it. Okay, merge topic is over. On Monday, listen. We need to discuss about one more topic, sir. That is case expressions and interval expressions. These 2 features introduced in Oracle 9a version. These 2 features we discuss on Monday. So with this, one session enough for these 2. Okay. On Monday, we discuss these 2. With this, module 1 will be finished. On Tuesday, we start PLSQL second module, sir. Thank you, everyone. See you on Monday. Online students, if you have any doubts, type in the chat box. Otherwise, you can leave the session. Session is over. Yes, any doubts? Okay. Vishwaranjan, if accidentally happened, okay. If accidentally happened, okay, no problem. But some students, they wantedly do. So that is why I have given that warning. Okay. If accidentally happened, okay, no problem, leave it. Yes, any doubts?